I found myself that I love nature. I love watching waterfall, listening to the sound of waterfall, bird chirping, feel the wind touching my skin, the sound of ocean. It relaxes me. So I post my video on TikTok, and I got all these beautiful comments. Said that my video is helpful, and all the thank you. It's make me feel really good. I always want to help people. I dreamed to be a doctor, but because when I grew up, my family was very poor, couldn't afford me to go to school. So I go out there and taking the video and post it, and this is part of helping people. I'll do it. And thank you for giving me a chance to help you. I post my video on TikTok not because I want to get a famous view like. I do because I love it. It doesn't matter if it takes me 1 day or 2 days to get 1 minute video. I do because I love it, especially to know that people out there need it and it helped them. I have my full-time jobs. I don't need to get paid from TikTok. I can support myself. But it's made me very happy to know that my video is helping you. So I will continue to make more video for you. So please enjoy it.